is Elvin Florin Fumar from BSHM2C. For today's video, I'm going to show you the different types of silverware and its uses.
First is gravy ladle, used for sauces, gravy, and dressing. Soup ladle, used to serve soup. Dinner fork, with four tines essential to the formal dinner used for most of the meals, entree, or roast. Carving fork, used for large roast, ham steaks, fowl, and other meat. Large serving fork, used for serving meats, fowls, or dish like pancit and other oriental noodles. Teaspoon, used for coffee, tea, and some desserts. Dinner spoon, mostly same size of that of a dinner fork and may be used together with it. Soup spoon, with rounded bowl, used for soup dishes. Steak knife, 7 inches, sharp edge. Knife to carve steaks, allowing the juice to flow out slowly. Butter knife may refer to any table knife designed with a dull edge and rounded pointed. Carving knife, used for large roast ham steaks, fowl, and other meat. Ice tongs, used to pick small pieces of ice, whether cubes or tube. Kitchen tongs, a big tong used for frying.